It's me Pavitran here. Today we're gonna do a weekly forecast of crude oil. Before that, as usual, a quick recap of previous week levels. I just said 43.50 will be acting as a crucial support, and I have marked these two lines, and I said that this will be acting as a crucial resistance. Once this level of 46.50 gets broken, then we will be heading towards a further high, and as you can see, it had made a higher high on 26th of November, and after that, as you can see, it had made a higher low. So for a trend to continue further, what it has to do is it has to break this level. So if it breaks this level and if it goes on, then we might be seeing some kind of another rally after the small consolidation phase, but that did not happen. Instead, it stayed in a sideways range. So this was the previous high lows, and it was the same. As you can see here, if you draw the line here, you might have got an entry triggered over here, because this is the region where some kind of support or some kind of buyers will try to place an order, or the buyers who have taken position here, they will try to defend in this region. So after, you have to wait for a price action confirmation. So after a price getting rejected here, you can just wait for a candle close, the next candle at somewhere around 12:30. After that, you could have placed a buy order and you could have ride the rally. This is a small observation. So whenever a higher high is formed, like I said before, whenever a higher high or a higher low is formed, just try to draw a line, and it might be useful for you. Why? Because try to use this horizontal ray, and it might be useful for you, because most of the time price will tend to touch that region, and it can even reverse from here. So that is what happened over here. As you can see, this was the recent higher low. Price came here and buyers starting to act. So what we have to expect is that most of the time you have to book profits over this region. Why? Because it's starting to be in a consolidation mode. So we don't know whether it's going to break, or if it's going to touch the resistance and come down here. So it's always better to book in this region. Once after booking this region, if price gives breakout, then you can go for a fresh entry over retest. On from 30th of November, it is clear that it opened on slightly negative note. Again, price touched this region and so small bounce. Finally, it had broken on 1st of December. After that, you can see that region has been acting as a resistance. So after this region again is formed, so you have to just shift this line towards that, and let's see how this line is going to behave in a coming week or coming days, whenever price tries to come near this region. So this is how you have to mark this level, and right now, after this low made, it has made an higher low, and after that it has broken. So trend is still in buy on dips market. When you have to change your views is when it gets broken 44.4 or 43.50. When this level gets broken, and if the trend is starting to change into a lower high and lower low concept, then you have to try to be on a bear side. Until and unless that happens, try to be a buyer, and 43.50 and 44 level will be acting as a strong support for time being. So right now, what is the new resistance that we have to hope for is or 50, a round number, and it was a psychological level that might act as a stiff resistance for time being. If you try to convert this into 4-hour chart, you will find somewhere around 50 that it will be acting as a crucial resistance. Just a minute, we'll try to shrink, and we'll try to, yeah, this is the place, and we'll try to switch into day time frame. Might be helpful for us. So this is the region I was explaining about, 42 and 43, and this is the region I was explaining about, 51 to 50. So this region which I have marked here, this region, it has taken 3 times of support, and a 4th time it took support, and after that it broken that level. So this level has been broken. After that, you can see a steep fall, and this was the level. so that level was been acting as an resistance in this region. Once that level gets broken here, after that you can see it tried to test this region, it came down, and after a few consolidation period it broke up. So what is the next level to act upon is this one. So try to be cautious of this 50 level on for this week. That is the biggest level that you should be watching out for. And on sell side, be a seller only below $44 region. So even if it goes below 44, then you have to look out for price action, and you have to find out the trend. And most probably you should check a 4-hour candle. If a 4-hour candle close below 44, then you might find some kind of a pullback towards again 46. Then if it not able to cross, or no, if you can able to sustain below 46, then it will be a sell on rise market. So until and unless that happens, try to be as much buy as you can. Thank you.